Hello and welcome back. It looks like some of you are having issues with Spotify for Linux. So let me see if I can give you a couple of recommendations. First of all, if you are using the web version, the web client for Spotify, personally I would only use the Chrome web browser for Linux. Period. It is the only one that never gives me any issues. So consider using only the Chrome web browser. All right, let's go to download. This is for in case you want to install Spotify. So if you are using Ubuntu, of course, you can go to the Ubuntu Software Center or an Ubuntu-based systems into your package manager and see if it's there. I prefer the snap using the command line instructions here. So for this, we're going to use snap install Spotify. So let's see if we can get that to work or to install. And snap install Spotify. Of course, after typing in your password, it's going to install the snap version of Spotify. And I've noticed in some cases, the snap version of a piece of software for Linux seems to work better than the one in your package manager. And real brief, if I go to menu, it should be under sound and video, and I believe it's right here. Okay, good. All right, so let's go back to Spotify for Linux. Now it says here if you are using Debian, some instructions here to add the repository, and the instructions here on how to install it. If you are using a distribution other than Ubuntu, you want to go to snapcraft.io for more instructions on how to install Spotify for Linux. Now, if you do this, you may have to reboot if you install a snap, and it should work if the one in your package manager, if that version for some reason does not work. So good luck with that and happy listening. I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.